Has anything like this ever happened to you? You're waiting for a car parking space. The black car you know is going to come out. All you've got to do is bide your time and that highly sought after space is yours. Perfect. Then things all start to go pear-shaped. There's another car that's just arrived in the distance, and the car reversing out now can't get past. You've got to take your car out of reverse and move forward, and that's been just enough for the other vehicle to think you now don't want that space, and they take it. And even though you reverse back and try and claim what's rightly yours, it's never going to happen. The other driver who's just stole your space is never going to acknowledge you. They're going to act as though you're not even there. In the comments, please let me know what you think you could have done to stop this from happening. Time to drive on and find another space, I think.